Students, this is a video for the word survey. Survey. So survey is in Spanish encuesta, and I think people know what an encuesta or survey is. What is it? It is an investigation of the opinions, behavior, etc. of a particular group of people. So somebody wants to know what is the opinion of a group of people, and so how do they get that information? They ask those people questions about to see what their opinion is. That's what a survey is. One thing you might notice is that this same word survey is also listed down here. So this is something that was done sometimes when we were making cards. I think it maybe it wasn't the best decision, but that's the way it is right now. We have these the same word in two places. And so what does that mean? It just means we didn't want to write the definition up here, que no quisimos escribir la definición aquí porque es algo muy parecido a esto. But what does it mean as a verb down here? To survey as a verb usually means to give, dar una encuesta. You know, to ask people the questions. It's an action, it's a verb, but it's very similar to this, which is the survey as a noun is the questions that you ask, or it's the process of giving the questions, and then to survey is the action of doing it. So surveyed, adjective, and then synonyms, analysis, review, or evaluation. So so here is a sentence that you could use that's related to English class, because in English class we ask you to do persuasive essays in quarter 2. At least we always used to before we went online, when things are a little bit different. But when we do a persuasive essay, you need to get evidence, evidencias. And so there are several ways to get evidence. One is to look for information in a book or on websites. Another way to get evidence is to do a survey. So if you're doing a persuasive argument about your about the school, which is what we ask people to do usually, they have to get evidence from that and they do it by interviewing and talking to students at the school or teachers at the school, people in the school community, and giving them a survey often. So they'll say, you know, would you agree that we need to I'm trying to remember what some of the do you agree that we need more variety of food in the cafeteria? What type of food would you like, right? And then they ask people and they gather the information, and then once you have all the information, it becomes evidence. You can use it to make an argument. So you can say, I gave a survey to 200 students and they all said that they want this kind of food, and then you go to the cafeteria and you say, can you please give us this kind of food? The students want it, right? You have evidence for it. And it's persuasive because you can change people's opinions using your evidence. So that's what this one is about, this sentence. So this is another example sentence, which is with the same idea, a survey. So about Escuela Popular. Escuela Popular gives students a survey several times a year, and I'm sure you remember that. To see how and why, what is the survey about? To see how they are feeling about their classes, teachers, technology, etc. And so based on that survey, the school can decide whether things are going well or whether they need to change how they're doing things, how they're organizing the classes, things like that. So that's it for the video for survey. Thank you very much for watching.